Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Windows Protected Your PC SmartScreen warning when you know the app is safe. If the warning appears while opening a program, do not close the window right away. Click More Info to reveal additional options. You will now see a Run Anyway button. Click it to launch the application. Only use this option if you trust the file and downloaded it from a reliable source. If Windows keeps blocking the same installer or application, you can unblock the file permanently. Find the file in File Explorer, right-click it, and select Properties. Stay on the General tab and look near the bottom of the window. If you see an Unblock checkbox in the Security section, check it. Then click Apply followed by OK. The file should no longer be blocked by SmartScreen. If SmartScreen continues blocking many trusted apps, you can disable its app checking feature. Open the Start menu, search for Windows Security, and open it. Select App and Browser Control, then click Reputation-Based Protection Settings. Turn off Check Apps and Files. This stops SmartScreen from warning you when opening downloaded applications. Thanks for watching.